Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Hinata Image ID for your picture frame in Grow according to game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First you need to have a picture frame in your garden, and then we can edit the image ID to get new image guys. And if you want to get this Hinata image, you need to add this ID. Just copy my ID. It's 6777333627. Once you add this ID, you'll get this kind of image, this Hinata image for your picture frame. That's super cool. Okay, you can try it yourself, guys. Just add this ID, and you'll automatically get Hinata image. And if you add another ID, of course it will give you a different image. So yeah, it's very fun mixing ID or trying new ID, so we can get or we can unlock new image for our picture frame. Okay guys, and that's the Hinata image ID that you can try for your picture frame in Grow Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.